Assalamu alaikum students, welcome back to the channel Mathematics by Larry Panjwani. In today's class, we will cover the topic simple interest. So what is simple interest? Simple interest basically interest charge on a loan or an investment on an amount we have invested or borrow. This is called a simple interest. And the basic formula of interest is equal to P multiplied by R multiplied by T divided by 100. So this is the formula of simple interest. P means principal amount, or we can say that initial amount. R mean interest rate, and T mean time. And remember that time will be calculated in year in simple interest always. Okay, that's important. One more formula we have. In this formula will give us the interest we get from the amount we borrow or we invested, and we have another formula that will give us the total value after investment after interest we get. So the amount total amount we consider the amount is equal to principal plus interest will give us a total amount we get. So we will apply these two formula and solve some question. So now moving towards the questions, and we have some example question. You will see how to solve that question. Now complete the table. In first part we have principal amount, interest, year, and we need to find out interest and amount. In part number 1, the formula we know that interest is equal to PRT divided by 100. P is 14,000 multiplied by R is 8 times 7 divided by 100. So now we will calculate and we will find the interest. So we will now cancel out the zeros. 0 will be cancelled out. So now 140 multiplied by 8 multiplied by 7 will give us 7,840. This has got the interest value. We got the interest value 7,840. Now we need to find out the amount. So to find out amount, the formula is principal plus interest. Principal amount is 14,000. Interest is 7,840. So the total amount we get 21,840. So that's it. We have done the part number 1. Now part number 2. In part number 2, we need to find out time and amount. So same formula, and you can see that interest, they have given us the interest. So formula is I is equal to PRT divided by 100. The interest in this question is given 220 is equal to P is 500 multiplied by R is 11 multiplied by T, time is not given, divided by 100. 0 will be cancelled out. 5 multiplied by 11 will be 55. 55 will goes to other side and divides. So 220 divided by 55 will give us 4. So this will consider as 4 years. I told you we will calculate time in years. So this is considered as a 4 years. Now we need to find out the amount. The formula is simple. Principal amount is 500 and the interest is 220. We will add these two values. So 720 is the total amount we get. Now part number 3. In part number 3, we need to find out the principal value. We know interest is 116. We don't know the principal value. Interest rate is 9. Here is 5 divided by 100. Now this 100 will goes to other side and multiply. 9 5 is the 45. Now 45 goes to the side and divide is equal to P. Now we will calculate this. 116 multiplied by 100 divided by 45. So the answer, the value principal amount is 257.7. To find out the amount, what we need to do? Just add the interest value, that is 116. So the amount value is 373.7. So we have done the part number 3. Part number 4 is homework for you. This part is homework for you. Now I will do part number 5. In part number 5, there is one thing is different. You can see that in time they have given in month. As I told you, we will calculate the time in year and they have given us the value of time in months. So how we can calculate this part? Now listen to me carefully. Part number 5, principal amount. The interest they have given 190. Principal amount is 2000 multiplied by interest rate. We need to find out. Time is 18 months. So I will convert this 18 month into years. So what we need to do? I need to divide by 12. Remember that we have to convert a month into year. So we have to divide by 12. In one year we have 12 months. Okay. So I hope everything is clear. Now we will cancel out these zeros. Zero will be cancelled out. 6 twos are 6 threes are 2 ones are 2 tens are. So 10 threes are 30. So now you can see 190 is equal to 30 multiplied by R. 190 divided by 30 is equal to R. 0, 0 will be cancelled out. 19 divided by 3 will give us 6.33. 6.33% will be the final answer. Okay, so I hope everything is clear in this. Now we will do some past paper question related to simple interest topic. And as I told you, these questions are the recent past paper question. So we will solve starting with the question number 1 of past paper. Question number 1. Ahmed invests 4,000 at a rate of 1.5 per year simple interest. Calculate the value of investment after 2 years. We need to find out the value of investment after 2 years. So formula is interest is equal to the value of P is $4,000. Interest rate is 1.5. Year is 2 divided by 100. So 0 will be cancelled out. Then simple 40 multiplied by 1.5 multiplied by 2 will give us 120. And we need to find out the value of investment after 2 years. So we need to find out the amount value. To find out amount value, we need to add the principal value to the interest. The final answer 4,120. $80 at a rate of 2% per year simple interest. Calculate the total amount of interest. Now we need to find out the interest in this part. She received at the end of 5 years. So again, formula we have 480, the principal amount multiplied by 2 multiplied by 5 divided by 100. So 0 will be cancelled out. 5 ones are 5 twos are 2 ones are 2 ones are. So we got 48. So the final answer will be 48 because in this question they only ask the total amount of interest. So the interest she will get 48. Okay. Now we'll move towards the next part. Next question we have. Now McGill invests X dollar in an account paying simple interest at a rate of 1.2 per year. At the end of 3 years, he has 890.96 in the account. Now, we don't know the principal amount, and this is basically important. At the end of 3 years, he has 890.96. So this is known as amount, total amount. This is not an interest amount. This is a total amount that we get when we add principal and interest. So according to data, P is X. So we write X, and this is 1.2 simple multiply by 3 divide by 100. So now interest is equal to 1.2 multiplied by 3 is 3.6. We got 3.6 multiplied by x divided by 100. So in this part, you can see that we have two unknowns. We don't know the value of x. We don't know the value of interest. So I will say this is equation number 1. Now I have another formula, that is amount is equal to principal plus interest. So amount is 890.96 and principal is x. So I will move x to this side. 890.96 minus x is equal to I. So you can see that we got the value of I, that is equal to 890.96 minus x. So what I will do, I will put the value of I in equation number 1. So now you can, the equation become 890.96 minus x is equal to 3.6 multiplied by x and divided by 100. Now, what we need to do, we just need to find out the value of x. So this question is homework for you. You have to simplify this and you have to find out the value of x and comment me the answer of the value of x. I will share the correct answer with you. Okay, I hope everything is clear in this question. That's a very simple question. Now, next question, we have Kabir invest $250 in a saving account. Uh, the account paying simple interest at 1.5 per year. Calculate the total amount of interest. Again, we need to find out the interest. Simple question. 250 multiply by 1.5 multiply by 4 divided by 100. The 0 will be cancelled out. 5 5 the 5 2 the 2 1 the 2 2 the. So we have to simplify. So 5 multiply by 1.5 multiply by 2 will give us 15. So the final answer of this part is 15. So that's it. The simple and this topic is complete. I hope everything is clear. There is no confusion in this part. It's a very simple question. Two questions homework for you.